In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. All of our customers were new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.